Okay, those are the words that we will encounter when we are discussing the topic. Okay, so it's a must that you understand them. So do you have any questions regarding the words or the word regarding these words? None. So if you don't have a questions, then now let's proceed to the discussion. So, can you please read the definition? Yes. Okay, so thank you for reading. So, transferring designs. So what is the connection of design to our embroidery? So in embroidery, we need to select a design because that design will serve as a pattern including a hand embroidery sequence. Okay? So it says here that we need to transfer that into the fabric because after you have choose the design that you wanted, then you must transfer it to the fabric in order to do the embroidery works. Did you understand? Okay. So based on the pictures that you have, you can see that the printed design, the details of that design was transferred into the fabric. So how is that transfer found? Later we will going to know what is the method that we are going to use like the three materials like the fabric, printed design, and then the fabric, printed design, and then the carbon paper, which is the most important material. Okay, so now, actually these three materials are needed because you can trace a design without one, but if the one of this material is missing. Okay, so now so this is the tape. You can use any type of tape. Tape is, I would recommend tape in order to secure the materials because it can flatten those three materials that are needed in tracing method. Okay? So do you have any questions? Now, so since you have no questions, then let's proceed to the next material. Okay, so the next material is any pointed or sharp instrument. So now what is the use of that? That will be serve as a tool. That will be the tool that you are going to use in every details of the design. So that will serve as when we are tracing, we will use that sharp or pointed instruments in order to transfer the design onto the fabric. So do you understand? So make sure that when you are tracing, please place it hardly. Okay? Therefore, you can leave a mark or the mark on the fabric is visible. Okay? So you must place it hardly. So now that I have discussed the materials, let us now proceed to the procedures or the steps in tracing method. So the first step is okay, so this is the first step. So these are the steps in transferring design using tracing method. Okay, so number one, can you please read? Okay, thank you for reading the first, the first step. of your design was in front of you. Therefore, when you are using any pointed by ball pen, you can place it into the fabric, okay? And then after that, we will use the tape to secure the three materials that are needed. So, that's it. That is how you're going to make it. And then after that, the last is, okay. After that is, the last is, use any sharp or pointed instruments to trace the design. So, after using that, you are now able to trace the design. Make sure to trace it hardly. Okay, so do you understand? You can follow the steps or procedures. Okay, so since you have understand the steps and procedure, let us have. Do you have any questions regarding the discussion for today? You don't have? Okay, since you don't have, again, what are the materials? What are the materials that we need to use in tracing method? So give one. Yes. Okay, the printed design. Very good. Next. Okay, the fabric. Very good. Last. The carbon paper. Very good. And then, what is the material that is used, that we use to secure the three materials? Yes, we can use tape, okay? And then how are we going, what is the tool that we're going to use to trace the materials after placing the three materials? Yes, okay, any sharp or pointed instruments. So, do you have any questions? Now that you have understood the lesson, then let us try to answer the question. Okay. Why do you think is it important to trace a design accurately? So what do you think the purpose of the design? Anyone? Yes. Very good. Because the design will serve as a pattern. Because you are unable to do the embroidery stitches if you don't have a design. So why do we need to transfer the exact design, or why is it need to trace or to transfer the design accurately? Yes. Okay. So since the design serves as a pattern, therefore it is a must to trace the design accurately, because that will be your pattern, that will be your guide, or to avoid uneven in stitching the fabric, okay? So do you understand? Or do you have any clarifications regarding our topic for today? So you don't have. Okay, now since you don't have, then let us discuss the rubrics. I believe you already have your materials with you. Okay? So here is our rubrics. Okay, so it is a must. We will going to discuss the rubrics because later on your seatmates will be graded too. Or the rubrics will deserve how you will be graded. Okay? So listen attentively. So first is the tools and materials. You will give 5 points to your seatmates if they have a complete materials. Okay? All the materials that are needed to trace are complete, or they have utilized it. Okay? So next is we're going to give 3 points if Because these are